welcome to Kyler's Kitchen. Today's recipe is going to be peanut butter chocolate chip cookies for about 60 calories each. And I have all the ingredients out here for you today. We'll start off with the wet ingredients over here. You need unsweetened almond milk, vanilla extract, unsweetened applesauce, liquid egg whites, any kind of chocolate chips that you want. I'm using Lily's dark chocolate chips, baking powder, a sweetener, and this powdered peanut butter. This is my favorite brand. I prefer the sugar-free version, but if you just have the regular one, that works too. And then this ingredient, probably most of you are not gonna have this ingredient, but it's oat fiber. Basically what this is 100% fiber from oats. So if you didn't know, fiber has 0 calories, your body doesn't digest it. So basically what I use this for is to add bulk to ingredients. So you can't really use it as a 1-to-1 replacement for flour, but you can replace like a quarter of the flour with oat fiber. If you don't have this, you can just add more of this, which I'll explain later. To start off, we'll go ahead and preheat the oven. We're gonna preheat it to 350 degrees, and then you can get a cookie sheet ready with some parchment paper. And then I'm gonna go ahead and measure out all the ingredients and I'll be right back. In this bowl, we have 100 grams of the powdered peanut butter, 20 grams of oat fiber. But like I said earlier, if you don't have the oat fiber, just use 20 more grams of the powdered peanut butter. There's also 40 grams of sweetener, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And for the wet ingredients, we have 90 grams of applesauce, 80 grams of egg whites, 20 grams of almond milk, and half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Okay, so next we're gonna add in the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients. We're just gonna mix it up. That's pretty much good. Now we're gonna add in, I already measured out 21 grams of the dark chocolate chips. And I'm just gonna add half of them into this, and then we'll add the other half on top of the cookies after. So that's about half, and we're just gonna mix that in. And now we're ready to transfer these over to the cookie sheet. So the way that I'm gonna put these onto the cookie sheet is I'm just gonna use a spoon, and I'm gonna try and shape them into little cookies. And you wanna try and get 9 cookies in total. So I just kind of put it on there and then spread it out until it looks like a cookie. And this is about the size that you wanna get. So now that you have your 9 evenly shaped cookies, we're gonna take the rest of the chocolate chips and add them on top. You actually do want to kind of push them in, because otherwise, after you bake them and let them sit, you don't want the chocolate chips to fall off. Alright, so now that you have all 9 cookies ready to go, they can go into the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for only 10 minutes. Alright guys, we're back and it's been 10 minutes and we're going to take the cookies out and see how they look. and they look great. Here you can see them. Honestly, the longer you let them sit, the better they're gonna be. Personally, I prefer to let them sit until the room temperature, put them in the fridge, and then eat them a few hours later. But for the sake of the video, we're gonna let them sit for like 15 minutes, and then I'll taste test them and let you guys know how they are. All right, guys, we have let them sit for about 20 minutes. Now, like I said before, usually I'll now put them in the fridge and let them sit for a couple hours. That's just the way that I like to eat them, but for the sake of the video, I'll go ahead and try one right now and let you know how it is. Each cookie, I'll put the macros on the screen, but each cookie has 60 calories, 2 grams of fat, 6 grams of carbs, and 6 grams of protein. Compared to a regular cookie probably has like 100 calories and doesn't have any protein. So if you're a fan of peanut butter and chocolate chip, you have to at least try this recipe and let me know. That concludes today's recipe in Kyler's kitchen. 60 calorie peanut butter chocolate chip cookies. Please let me know in the comments if you guys make this recipe and if you like it. I've seen your comments from my previous recipes and it seems like you guys have been enjoying them so far. Also, thank you guys so much for helping me hit 300 subscribers. If you want to see more recipes, please subscribe. And until next time, see you.